Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mari Martinez. Para los que no me conocen y para los que me conocen, hello guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I'm back with another waxing video. I'm gonna be waxing my armpits. Look how hairy they are. Really hairy. I hope I don't mess up this shirt because this is my to go out shirts and I don't want to get wax on it. So let's pray. I don't know what is my dog doing back here, but he's going crazy. And I'm gonna be using these beans from Tres Wellness. Se llaman lavender heart wax beans, and you can find it on Amazon. I'm gonna be leaving the link down below of everything that I use. No strip required. You just need this to warm it up. I forgot to put the temperature down so I can start waxing myself, because usually when I want them to melt, like I have it hot, like hot, but whenever I'm waxing myself, obviously I have to put it down because if not I will burn my little armpits. And ouch, and we don't want that, to be honest. I have done it before, been there. It hurts, it burns, not recommended. But yeah, I just finished. If I put my mirror here, I look too dark. Okay, so I haven't washed myself. I haven't taken a shower yet. I am in a little bit after my video for sure. So my armpit is dirty. Tiene desodorante. I sweat. I went to work. I mopped the house. I was washing clothes. So I've been doing a lot of things all day. I'm gonna be using the pre-wax spray. I'm gonna be applying some of my. I already know I'm gonna mess up this shirt, so I'm not even gonna do that to myself. And you know what? Like that. And whenever I'm done with this armpit, I do the same thing to the other one. But for now, that will do. Anyways. All right. It seems like it's okay for me to wax my armpits. Let me show you guys. No, it's still too runny, huh? Yeah, I'm just gonna wait a little bit longer. All right, I need to see myself in the mirror, not on the phone. I already dropped the wax back in the. I feel like I look too okay, like that, and I'm just gonna look that way. If not, my bed is gonna look too dark, oscuro. I don't know. Okay, it's not that hot. It's okay. But I just cannot see good. Okay, if I move this way. I feel like when I'm not talking and I don't have my computer on or my TV on, my house is so quiet. Oh, plus my dog is sleeping, so my house is quiet. If not, oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. Okay. Hopefully I get all the hair in one pool. Hopefully I'm gonna help this dry faster. I already figured out where to put my mirror because I have a bunch of mess here and I didn't want to put it there, but I guess I had to, you know. I don't know where I'm acting brand new if I do this all the damn time. Okay, it hurt a little bit. Oh, who is she? Who is she? Look how many hairs I got. Okay, but I got a little bit of hair right here left and right here on this area. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of these little applicators and apply. I don't know if I should apply two small ones or like a big one. I think that's a good application. All right. Yes, it is. It's perfect. Of course. What would I question myself? This one, I don't know. But the first one, good. Okay, so I'm gonna let it dry and I'll come back to pool with you guys. Question: do you guys took advantage of the sale that Tres Wellness was having on Black Friday? Please let me know down in the comments, please. I know waxing is not for everybody, but when you get into waxing, girl, let me tell you, life changing. For reals, life changing. Like, you don't have to wax, well, not wax, you don't have to shave every single day or every 2-3 days, you know, because I used to have to shave every single day my armpits and my pussy too. Like, I would have to shave every 2 days. I'm not even lying. And then the hair is coming back every single day. Like, it was so fucking annoying. So now I use wax. I need to get into waxing my arms because I shave my arms, and waxing my legs as well because I also shave my legs. But that, like, it doesn't bother me because it's so quick. But it's like waxing my pussy and my armpits is like life changing. For reals, 100% recommended for me to you. Yes, it's painful, but vale la pena. El pain is worth it. The pain, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I think it might be ready. Let me tell you, I thought doing this look, I was gonna be like, oh, something new. I forget. Like, honestly, I literally just forget that my contact that I be making. Because I had already made this look, but a little bit different, to be honest. But same contexto. Look how clean this armpit looks now. I was just telling my friend, I was like, I'm gonna be applying the after wax spray. I was just telling my friend yesterday, I was like, it's either I have my pussy wax or I have my armpit wax, because I never have both done. Like, my pussy right now is like good, and then my armpit wax hairy as fuck, not anymore. But I'm like, yeah, like, I can never, like, never in the evers. Okay, so now I'm gonna be doing my right arm. I was gonna say leg for some reason. I'm gonna be applying my pre-wax spray on this armpit now. I'm gonna spray it around and around and around and around. I'm gonna let it dry because it's going to be a little moisturized. Gonna let it dry. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing my other armpits. So quiet. We need to we need to focus, you know. I just hit my knee and it hurts. If you hear something in the back, it's my dog playing. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this. Oi, 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 it hurt. let me show you guys my hairs. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply. I wanna see if this is a hair. Ouch, there was a hair, not anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit here, a little bit here, and a little bit here and here. So should I just do like one big here and another big one here, because I have to go up and get this hair right here too. Okay, let's do it. New applicator. I had to check what this guy is doing, because oh my god, bro, he be acting like a little kid. I don't. Ay, Dios. All right. I can do this. I can do this. If I can do this, you can do this too. Okay, that's one. And then the second one is here. Oh. Okay, like that. Hopefully I don't regret this. Okay, I'm gonna be throwing this thing away, and I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'll come back in a second to pull with you guys. Okay, so I feel like it's ready to pull. Yup. Ouch. Yep, you cannot really see my hairs, but it got like few hairs. And I'm gonna be pulling this one from the top. Ándale, sí sé. Those are the hairs. You guys see? Even those hairs right here. So my armpit is clean. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna be applying the after wax spray. What did I do? Oh my god. Hold on. I'm a dumbass. Oh my god. I really thought that the container had a little lid, but it didn't. So I pulled the applicator. Let's do this together. Ay, Dios. Hopefully. I know. No. I think I messed it up, to be honest. Ay, Dios. Ay, my boob is coming out. I think I messed it up already. Oh, I just saw like little hairs right here right now. It's fine. I'm just gonna take this one. Ouch. Everything was going so good. Let's do it right now. No. I will have to figure this out, because this is not it. This is not it. That happens because I didn't pay attention, to be honest. I already had it open, all ready for me to use, and look what I do. Anyways, I think this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to see more videos of me. Thank you so much for Tres Wellness for sending me over their products and letting me show it to you guys. Everything that I use is gonna be linked down below if you wanna get yourself a new wax warmer, new heartbeats. I also have the bikini star beads. I have the regular ones. I love them all. Look how good my armpits look now. But yes, guys, thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for taking the time of your day and watch one of my videos. I do appreciate that. But yes, guys, I guess I see you guys in my next video. And also, I want to let you guys know, if you're from Houston, Texas, if you want to get your makeup done by me, let me know. Book with me at least 2 weeks before. And yeah. But yes, guys, I see you guys in my next video. Bye.